letting it pocket against you.
She snores like her daddy.
I'm telling you. That's your daughter. Look at her fingers, they're chunky. Usually kids have really like